going home to attend Christmas, and my proudest moment of my life, oath-taking for registered nurse.
Okay, for the first time, may nagsundo. Si number 9 niya. Wow, for the first time, may nagsundo sa akin for 9 years. Terminal, airport, first time. At ito na nga guys, yung place kung saan tayo mag-o-taking sa SMX Convention Center sa MOA. At syempre kasama ko ang aking mahal na nanay. Okay guys, actually one of my dream is makapag-o-taking na makita ko ni mama during that day, and sinama ko siya kahit naka-wheelchair siya. At by the way, again, my mom was been stroke more than 2 to 3 times already, and mayroon siyang diabetes. At gusto ko naman makita niya ako na mag-o-taking na registered nurse na ang kanyang anak. Pero sad to say, sa dati niyang masiglahin, malakas, vocal, maingay, syempre proud nanay, ngayon hindi niya na maipagmamalaki na registered nurse na ang kanyang anak. Kasi dati nung nasa Singapore ako, just to share with you guys, lagi niyang sinasabi yung anak niya daw sa Singapore ay nagtatrabaho bilang nurse, pero sa totoo po hindi po. Nagtatrabaho po ako bilang taekwondo instructor sa Singapore. And now sa tagal kong naghintay at last nakapag-take ako ng board exam, at thanks God nakapasa ako dahil din sa guidance ni God. Actually hindi rin ako makapaniwala na pumasa ako, kasi during my self-review talaga, honestly, yung mga scores ko napakababa at hindi ko na rin talagang alam kung papasa ba ako. And sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, itratry ko lang naman. Kung pumasa, thank you Lord. Kung hindi, di mag-take ulit.
I state your name. Of. Hereby solemnly swear. That I will support. And defend. The Constitution of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws. Legal orders. And executive orders. Promulgated by the duly constituted authorities. Of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation. Upon myself. Voluntarily. Without mental reservation. Or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear. That at all times and places. I will adhere closely. To the ethical and professional rules. Generally accepted. By the nursing profession in the Philippines. And that I will well. And faithfully discharge. To the best of my ability. The duties and obligations. Incumbent. Upon a legally authorized nurse practitioner. So help me God. Filipino nurses, registered nurses, congratulations!
Congratulations once again, newly minted registered nurses.
June
thanks God
2025.
sa daming
Licensure exam passer
napagdaanan
and
sa
Taekwondo nurse, Singapore.
oath-taking natapos din. At by the way, ayan, sa labas ko ng MOA. At nang pagdating ko, mayroon na akong pa-welcome. Sabi pa niya, happy birthday,
no,
pero hindi
it's
ko
not
naman
happy birthday. Say congratulations.
Ayan, proud na pamangkin. Thank you sa mga pa-banner
Registered nurse.
at sa mga
Yay, thank you.
moment na to. Ito na yung mga selfie namin during that day, and of course, I'm so lucky to have them, guys. Napakaswerte ko lang kasi I celebrate with my oath-taking with my pamangkin and whole family at syempre sa nanay ko. We drink some beers and then lunch at MOA, and that's it. That is how I celebrate my oath-taking. And thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. This is now your coach nurse.